Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in today's combo, let's go straight. Claim this, and don't forget, if you actually want to get more of your daily combo, make sure that you actually go over to fight and then upgrade one of your bots. Try to upgrade it. And if you actually want to get this stuff verified, check out the video in the link in the description. I'm gonna put the video there. Okay, let's go straight into this. Rewards, and then claim daily reward. Okay, after this, go ahead, close it up, and let's play the daily combo. So the first robot on our list is going to be this guy here. The next one is going to be this. The third one is going to be this, and the last final one is going to be this guy. Let's go ahead and check it. And so you can see we got 13 million of this coin. Go ahead and claim it. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.